My name is D. Kavinesh. I am studying in 4th Standard B section in TJS Public School CBSE. Tamil Nadu districts 38. Ariyallur, Erode, Nilagiri, Kadalur, Karur, Kallakurichi, Kanchipuram, Krishnagiri, Coimbatore, Sivagangai, Pulpette, Chennai, Salem, Tanjavur, Dindikkal, Dharmapuri, Tiruchirappalli, Tirunelveli, Tirupur, Tirupattur, Tiruvannamalai, Tiruvallur, Tiruvarur, Thoothukudi, Tenkasi, Theni, Nagapattinam, Kanyakumari, Namakkal, Pudukottai, Madurai, Mayiladurai, Ranipet, Ramanathapuram, Virudhunagar, Viluppuram, Velur,